Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be show you how you can hide location in Mobile Legend. So if you are playing classic or recap mode, the playmates will know where we come from. But if you don't want that, you can hide your location while playing. So how to, just tap on setting icon in the top right and select interface, and just turn off the share location option. Hide your location, just click OK, and your location will be hidden from other players. So that's how to hide location in Mobile Legends. I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.